Hello and welcome to another edition of Tips and Tricks. My name's Christian Sorensen. I'm a learning strategist with Planet Technologies. So Excel seems to be a hot topic these days, and I figured why not share a cool tip within this dynamic application. The transpose feature allows you to instantly switch the position of your data. For example, you could rearrange vertical data to horizontal data. It's super easy. Let's take a look.
First, select a blank group of cells. Be sure to select the same number of cells as the data you want to move. Next, enter the formula equal transpose into the formula bar. Then select the cells to transpose and hit enter. And you're all set.
Well, there you have it. Hopefully you found this edition of Tips and Tricks helpful, and if you want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.